Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars SP-X BOA riding boots. All right, the retail on the all-new Alpinestars SP-X BOA Boots is $349.95. Please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's start off with sizing in these boots. I wear a size 12 US. Per their size chart, that's like a 11 and a half, right? And I ordered the 46 Euro, right? So I'm normally a 12. I got these, tried them on, walked around in here quite a bit. I would say the fit is a little bit to the roomier side. I don't think it's enough for me to go down one full size, right? With that said, a little bit roomier. If you found yourself like where you believe you're going to be in between sizes, I would recommend going down one rather than going up one, because I think they do run just a little bit roomier. Now that we've covered sizing, let's talk features, benefits, and who are these things right for? You know, when you look at this, you're really getting close to like an SMX6 boot, or a racier boot, with one big exception is going to be here in the shin and the calf area. These were designed for the pants to go over the outside of the boot. You're missing that big, bulkier shin protector there. It's a cleaner design in that area, so you're going to be able to get the pants to go over it. And it has, while being still sporty, it has more of a touring look to it, so I think it's going to appeal to a wider range of people. The BOA lacing system is without a doubt one of the greatest entry and exit systems for footwear out there. I'm a big fan. To release, you simply pull out, undo your Velcro, and then, you know, this thing just comes undone like that. I mean, it's super easy to dial in the fit. To release, pull out, and it releases super easy. So on and off of these things is as good as it could possibly get. And they do things to mitigate damage in a crash. You know, that you've protected all the laces here. There's little sliders built into the channels. They've kind of rotated backwards, the BOA, so if you do happen to have a fall, they typically survive that pretty well. Reinforced toe box, integrated toe slider that is not replaceable. Reinforced heel cup. This is basically the heel cup from a race boot. You're going to have impact and abrasion resistance here for the ankle. There's no real heavy-duty lateral stability built in like you'd find in a full-on race boot, right? These are meant more for comfort. The fabric they use back here, it articulates very well when you're walking to increase the comfort. It just moves more with you. The same thing up here in the front of the boot. This is using some of their Rideknit fabric, and they've done it in like kind of a 3D way, right? You can see the height differences there. This is going to allow for the exchange of air and heat, right, to keep you cooler and more comfortable when you're riding in the boot. And it also moves easy when you're walking around. Integrated shifter pad, that's going to be found on both boots for symmetry reasons, of course. Reinforced sole, as you would find with any Alpinestars full-on boot. It's going to be crush-proof from side to side, and then, of course, reinforced from front to back, so it articulates. They thin it out just a little bit in the ball of your foot, so you're able to walk in these with comfort. Walking comfort, you know, with this boot, I would say it's very good. You know, I would rate it up there with like their SMX Plus, their SMX6, right around their SuperTech R. If you're looking for ultimate walking around comfort when you get to your destination, they have some other shoes, especially this brand new Speed Flight. That thing was amazing, right? But there's trade-offs there. You take that, it's a shorter boot, it's more of a tennis shoe style, you lose a lot of the protection you would find here, you know, but you do pick up walking comfort. Overall, I feel like once these broke in fully, the walking comfort is going to do nothing but improve, and then you still have the full protection of a race boot essentially, minus the side-to-side ankle protection. I think this is a home run, and it fits a certain segment where they want to have the ability to get the pants easily over the outside of the boot for that cleaner, more touring / street look. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.